Hi, I'm Dr. Mugdha Rao, a gynecologist and a clinical reproductive immunologist. We have our centers, Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology in Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Bangalore, where along with my husband, Dr. Mohan Raut, we treat couples with unexplained repeated pregnancy loss, unexplained infertility, and unexplained IVF failures with the help of our patented and branded lymphocyte immunization therapy or Emulet and other individualized passive reproductive immunomodulatory protocols. And today I want to talk about something that's often questioned in medical treatment and especially in our line of treatment, that is reproductive immunology, the importance of thorough investigation before starting any treatment plan. Many times we are asked by the patient or even the referring doctor, the history is indicating that alloimmune rejection exists. Then why do you want to do blood investigations and make us or the patient spend so much? कर दो ना treatment ऐसे ही. It's important to remember कि whether it is fertility issues or any chronic conditions or even something as common as a cold, understanding the root cause is the first step towards a successful recovery. Our treatment of reproductive immunology is highly specialized. The patients are referred to us after many investigations and treatments for multiple miscarriages, IVF failures, and a lot of treatment for unexplained infertility. Most of their investigations are normal. Remember, reproductive immunology is a science. It is not a trial and error treatment or the last resort if nothing works. So, like any other medical issues, investigations have to be done. First is to see if Emulet or active immunomodulatory treatment is required or not. The second is to see what the levels of various blood tests are to be able to plan the passive immunomodulatory protocol. The third is to see the blood group of both the partners, because sometimes if the wife is Rh negative and the husband is Rh positive, something called isoimmunization may have occurred in the wife. And the fourth and the most important one is to rule out infection in both the partners. Now, let me tell you why investigation is the key or why investigations are so critical. Think of it in this way. If you are going to repair a car, you wouldn't start changing parts randomly without first diagnosing the issue, right? Medicine works the same way. Thorough investigation helps us identify the underlying cause of a condition, allowing us to provide the right treatment. This avoids unnecessary risks and ensures a faster and more effective recovery. So, in reproductive immunology, we have to diagnose if the problem exists and whether Emulet is required or not. I always tell my patients, even if paracetamol has to be given, we give it only if it is required. Paracetamol is a medicine and not a candy or a chocolate. And let me tell you, we have refused Emulet in many patients who do not require it based on the blood reports. So now let us know the types of medical investigations we rely on. There are several types of investigations we rely on. These range from reviewing your medical history, fertility history, to conducting blood tests which are immunological blood tests like the lymphocyte cross match, natural killer cells, TNF alpha, antithyroid antibodies, blood group of both the partners, infection profiles done by the quantitative method. And each test brings us one step closer to identifying whether Emulet will be useful for you and helps us decide your individualized passive immunomodulatory protocol. Now let us see what are the consequences of skipping investigations, or why skipping investigations can be risky. Skipping or rushing through investigations can be risky in many ways. It may lead to misdiagnosis, inappropriate treatment, or no treatment at all. It's like treating the symptoms without knowing the real cause. Eventually, the problem returns or can even escalate. Let me tell you some real cases whom we have seen. A patient was referred who was experiencing repeated IVF failures. They were frustrated and ready to move on from one IVF doctor to another. Her brother referred her to us. After running a few critical tests, we found out that the alloimmune issue was preventing successful implantation. And by treating that underlying cause first with Immu-LIT, the patient conceived successfully in their very next cycle. This is why taking the time for a thorough investigation can be life-changing. Similarly, another couple who had 6 IVF failures and the husband was hepatitis B positive. We did not use his blood. The sister of the wife donated the blood for the treatment after testing her for infection. The couple conceived in the first cycle after Immulet and now they have a healthy baby boy. In this way, we prevented the wife from getting infection and also helped the couple to have a baby. In another case, let me tell you, the patient came to us telling us that I have undergone 3 LITs and after that also I have had 4 IVF failures. What are you going to do again? So we asked her for the investigations and she did not have any investigation. When we investigated her, we found out the cause. She underwent Immulet treatment with us and then the individualized passive immunomodulatory protocol, and she conceived naturally in the next cycle itself. So remember, investigations helps to get the best possible outcome. Thank you for watching this, and if you would like to learn more, feel free to contact us on our helpline +91 9833201522, or you can visit our website www.icprm.in. And I would like you to share this video to at least one person. Only one share. Knowingly or unknowingly, you may help one couple complete their family or their dream of having a baby. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Our YouTube channel is Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology. Thank you.